So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you top 3 best meme coin for the next bull run. All these 3 meme coin are very potential meme coin, and these meme coin can be listed on Binance Exchange in future. Okay, because these meme coin are very unique meme coin, and we can expect at least 100,000x profit from these meme coins here. So video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just watch the complete video and make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. So friend, first of all, here you can see our first meme coin is Kukinu coin. Okay, here you can see current market cap ranking is $283 million market cap ranking, and its current market cap is $261 million market cap. So market cap is good. And why this meme coin is unique? Because this is the most powerful and most potential meme coin on AVEX blockchain. Okay, most popular meme coin on AVEX blockchain. So this is the positive thing for AVEX meme coin. And here you can see its last 24-hour trading volume is also $10 million. Okay, so these are the reasons that's why this meme coin can list on Binance Exchange in future, because this is the most powerful meme coin on AVEX blockchain. Trading volume is good, market cap is also good. Okay, maybe we can see is massive burning in future here. Okay, so after that we can see it's listing on Binance Exchange also. Here you can see coin is 41% down than its all-time high. Okay, so all-time high was a month ago. Okay, and already listed on KuCoin Exchange, Get.io, Bybit Exchange, and recently listed on MEX Exchange also. So these are the exchanges where this meme coin is also already listed, but in future definitely Binance Exchange will list this meme coin here. And first, our second meme coin is Bread meme coin. Here you can see Bread. Okay, its current price 0.08 dollars. Current market cap ranking is 147 number ranking, and its current market cap is $684 million market cap. Last 24-hour trading volume is more than $14 million here. This is really amazing. And here you can see its total supply all is in circulation. Okay, 8.4 billion coins. And why this meme coin is unique? Why this meme coin can be listed on Binance Exchange? Why this meme coin can be still 100 exponential meme coin? Reason is that this is the most powerful and most popular meme coin on best blockchain. Okay friends, and recently there is many hype for the best blockchains meme coin. As recently we saw Solana blockchains meme coin hype, so now it's best meme coins hype in crypto market. And maybe in after some days we can see Bread meme coin listing on Binance Exchange also. But here you can see already this meme coin is listed on Bitget Exchange, Get.io, and here you can see Bitmart, CoinW, BingX, and Poloniex exchange. These are the exchanges where this meme coin is listed. But its amazing thing is that its market cap is already, here you can see, $684 million market cap. So I think $20 billion market cap, or maybe more than $20 billion market cap, is nothing for Breadcoin. This meme coin can goes more than that. Still, this meme coin has potential to give us 50x or maybe more profit here. And friends, our third and last meme coin is Doge, AI Doge coin. Its current market cap ranking is 409 number ranking. Current price is 9 zeros in its price. Current market cap is $112 million market cap. And why this meme coin is unique? Why this meme coin can goes up to 1000x in future, and Binance Exchange can list this meme coin? Reason is that this is the most powerful and most famous meme coin on Arbitrum's blockchain. Here you can see coin is working on Arbitrum's blockchain, and you have a huge number of folders here. Okay, so these are the reasons that's why this Arbitrum AI Dogecoin can be listed on Binance Exchange in future. You can see its all-time high was 12 months ago. We are still 6% down than its all-time high, and nearly 11,000% up than its all-time low. Already listed on MEX exchange. Here you can see HTX, Bitget, OKX, Get.io. These are the exchanges where this meme coin is listed. And no doubt in maybe in few months, okay, we can see its hype again, and maybe we can see its major exchange listings. Okay, I think soon we can see its listing on KuCoin Exchange, Bybit, or maybe in future we can see its listing on Binance Exchange also. So friends, these were the three best meme coins, okay, for the bull run that I'm already holding. But in very short term, just I think 15 to $20 I purchased all of these three meme coins. But I'm not going to invest all my amount in these three meme coins, because as these are the meme coins, so they are the meme coins are highly risky. Okay, so you have to take very few risks and invest at your own risk in this meme coin.